Ada is dead.
Ada? Who is Ada?
A little girl that was brought to us a few days ago.
Is that why you are acting like you lost your own child?
Honey, any child under my care is my child.
Will you get your own child? Can we have our own child? I need a child.
Why are you saying this to me?
Because I know who you are. You have a spiritual husband and you have given him children in the spiritual realm. That is why you have kept me in this unfortunate situation marrying you.
Oh my God.
Don't involve God in this, because you can never ruin my life. Obanje.
He called me Obanje. No matter what happens, you will never see my tears again.
I really don't understand.
What don't you understand, Dan? I want you to take the babies to your orphanage.
Why? But your husband adopted that kid legally.
So? See, I can't take care of them again. How much will you give me?
Have you spoken to your husband?
What is your problem now? Are you the one to tell him? He's my husband, I know how to handle him. Just give me 200,000 for the babies.
200,000 only?
Yes.
Okay. Why don't you text me your account details and you'll get my alert in no time.
Now you come.
But you will have to bring the kids yourself to my orphanage home.
No problem. No problem.
Good. Correct woman.
What? What?
You're so beautiful, you know.
What are you going to do with my beauty?
Don't worry. I will surprise you with what I'm going to do with your beauty soon. Yes.
Ego, you will love surprises.
Then wait for it.
I can't wait. Okay, let me go and get the babies. I'll see you at the orphanage.
You have to go before maybe any available.
Bye.
All right. Bye.
Yedi mari emego, ego ya kola mo. Yedi mari emego, ego ya. Ije, we bia anya po ya. So you now come back anytime you like. Ekwa?
My keke broke down. Why are you taking all this? You have babies you're breastfeeding.
What babies? I'm done with those your babies, so. I told you I'm tired of breastfeeding them. You can breastfeed them, you have breasts. For your information, I have taken them back to the woman your prophet stole them from. Yes, gotcha.
What?
Hey! Oh, kill kada buko sana dale ale.
What kind of woman is this?
Hey, kill kada buko sana dale ale.
Ego, what have you done? Why did you do this?
You're asking me what I've done. Okay, you want me to shout to the whole compound and tell them how your fake prophet stole babies from that woman as you shout? Yedi mari emego, yedi ma. Chooks chuka. Ibu, cheers. Now. Yedi Marie go. Ibi anodogu.
I need 5 children. Awele. 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 I need 5 children. Awele. 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 Awele.
Chuka, won't you make love to me this night?
I'm not in the mood.
Hmm? You say? Yeah? It's again. You have to be in the mood though. If you say that thing again, I'll break your head, you see.
I've not eaten since morning. I'm tired.
You have not eaten so? If I count up to 5, and I don't see on top of you, see what will happen to you. 1, 2, 3. My friend, come on top of me and come, do it very well. Do it very well. Do it well.
Did you see any money here?
Ose, did I see any? Come, Chuka. I am not ready for this your early morning drama. Let's give me the money I asked you for now.
I kept money. I don't know whether it's here or in this pocket.
In this pocket. Oh yeah, keep finding it in this pocket.
Chuka go advise you how to handle your wife, but his own wife they beat up. Chuka go tell you to be a man, but he's a woman for his own.
Egugu, be careful. Now express you they enter. Dog with the sleep, just a weak, just a touching tail. Egugu, be careful. Now express you they go. Chuka, don't let me stand up from this bed because if I do, give me the money I asked you for. I want to go to the salon.
The money is not here now.
I which can man be this you? I which can person be this you? We know they talk to where you wife.
Can I have the money? You say Chuka, it's like it. Chuka, are you playing with me? Are you playing with me? Chuka, give me the... Chuka.
woman, where woman.
Come down. Who's your baby? Who's your baby? Who's your baby?
Yo, let me have a bottle of my usual.
Oga Chuka. Oh, I'm coming with your usual. What is it that I'm even hearing?
What did you hear?
Oga Chuka, I heard that your wife tied you up and was flogging you like a child.
People can lie, and you believed it. I dealt with her for serving my breakfast late.
Maregi, I saw the video. Do you know that somebody recorded it and she showed me? I saw you where your wife tied pot on your waist and was flogging you like a child. You never come as a whole you.
And you believe that story? You believe that story? What makes you think my wife will even think of fighting me at all? Any day she tries it, I'll beat her blue-black and then bundle her back to her family people.
I saw the video, Oga Chuka. Oga Chuka, see your wife.
Wow.
She's coming.
Eh? Are you serious? How close? How close? Huh?
Are you scared? Are you scared?
Tell me now.
Jesus Christ. So this woman has finally turned you into this. Hey! Okay, so this lady has reduced you to this point.
Yes, what is it? Please read this first. What? Oh my God. Ada died of tuberculosis. Please, we need to look for vaccines for other kids immediately. Immediately, Norma, please, hurry. Oh my God.
You know that man that brought Ada? He came this morning threatening to deal with us.
Okay, I'll talk to my lawyer in the evening. In the meantime, you need to call Dr. Biodin to send us some vaccines, please. Norma, please, hurry up. Oh my God. Tuberculosis.
Officer, please. I told you I was going to come back.
Officer, move the kids.
How you used to keep people here?
Move the kids. Fast, move it. Move it.
Officer, please, move. Officer, please, what? Officer, move it. You see these people?
Sir, please, now.
Please. Sir, please, what? See.
Give me the child.
Take the baby. Take the child. Officer, you know what these people do here? What they do here is to kill innocent children. They are so incompetent. Yes. Let us just go, officer. Move it.
It's a lie, officer. Sir, please. Even if you do anything, wait for the matron to come, please.
See, officer, why are we wasting time? Let us go.
Listen. We are not here to wait for anybody.
That is it.
What is going on here?
It's not fair.
Oh,
Ma'am.
here.
Norma, what is happening here?
They're taking the kids away.
Who is in charge, please?
Madam, are you the matron of this orphanage home?
Yes, I am. And where are you taking my kids to?
We have an order from the state government to lock up this place and take the children to the state house.
Why? You can't do that. This is a Lego orphanage home. You can't take them away just like that. You can't.
Madam, I don't want to push you. Leave. Because if I see you near these premises, if I see you...
Officer, what are we waiting for? Take them away now.
Fine.
What is not
Can
fair?
I talk to my kids?
What is not
Can
fair?
I talk to
I told you I was going to come back.
Madam, I don't want to push you because if I do... Leave.
Officer, we can sort this out. Officer. Oh, okay. Can I call my lawyer?
You can call your lawyer if you care, but that will be useless.
Thank you.
Useless.
Thank you very much.
Useless.
Officer, let's take this people now. Why wasting time?
Officer, we can sort this.
Nothing to sort out. No.
All you do is to kill innocent children here. I told you I was going to come back.
Don't say
Let us go. That's what you do. You kill children here.
Officer, please, we
I
can
don't want
talk
to
about
see you
this.
here. Because if I do...
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I must say you've done a very good job. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And here's your reward. Yes. Thank you very much. All right. We keep doing business, okay? All right. Hi. Career guy. Stupid woman. You think you can spoil other people's business, and yet you want to own the best orphanage home in this city? No way. You also go about telling people that others use their own to enrich themselves. I told you. Told you!
God, I know that you are there, and I know you can hear me. Why are you watching me cry? Please don't let the world to see my tears in the midst of this tribulation. For I depend on you. Oh, please don't let the world to laugh at me in the midst of this tribulation. Okwa kikanayo chukule bino ebeki jime beki ebeki akwane be metugino ebeki.
God, I prayed to you before I started this. Let your will be done.
Eh? It has gotten to the point where you now sit and talk to your fellow Obanjes.
Honey, the orphanage was confiscated today. The government sent some rude officers who didn't want to listen to me.
Thank God. At least the whole world will now know that I'm not the only victim of your bad woman.
What did you say?
Are you deaf? A woman who cannot make her home is running a motherless baby's home. Rubbish. Orphanage my foot.
Oh my God.
For I depend on you. Oh, please don't let.
You called me, Mom.
Yes. I started coughing this morning and I have been saying this. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. Please, you have to see Dr. Biodun immediately for the vaccine. Why is everything bad happening to me this year? It's because you are a strong woman. It's only a strong woman that will go through what you've been through. And yet, no drop of tears is seen in her eyes. I admire your strength. Very soon, all this will be over. I'm so sorry. I believe so. Because I know that my God is not asleep. Yes. I'll be on my way right now. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care of yourself. God. This is too much for me. This is too much for me. You're a strong woman. Do not let the world see your weakness. Do not let the world see your tears.
Is there any food in this house?
Yes.
Please get it for me.
My love, I want to talk to you.
How important is it?
It's very important. It's about my health.
Are you pregnant?
No.
I don't want to hear about it then. The only thing I want to hear from you right now is that you're pregnant. Go inside, make the bed and wait for me.
Eh?
Didn't you hear me? I said go inside and wait for me on the bed.
Honey, this hot sun.
So you will now tell me whether to make love to you, eh? Will you go inside and wait for me? Emiliaka. You see, kwa me by that place. So tell me, did you enjoy it?
Of course I did. You're a strong man.
Open this door! Hey, your husband is back. And this was why I told you we should have gone to a hotel.
Relax.
I should relax?
Yes, are you not a man?
Do you want me to die? I cannot relax at this point.
Wait.
If you don't open this door, Ego, I will break it!
Yes. What is it? Chuka, what is it? What is it? Why are you shouting like a madman? Okay?
Who is that man inside there?
There is no man inside. Chuka!
So you are the one that has been coming to my house to stay with my wife?
Go! Leave that man alone! Chuka now no problem. Chuka is fighting for me. So Chuka is strong. Go to Liba.
Ego, come out. It is over. It is over between us. It is over. Since you brought a man into this house.
Hey, Mbana Balago, what is over? If you don't take my bags inside there, I will break your head, Chuka, and you know me. What is over? Is it because I'm wearing this ring? This is not marriage. Chuka, take my bags inside. Chuka, take my bags inside. Chuka, yeah? Unjay, take my bags inside. Oh. Should I move you, Chuka? Should I move you? What's up? What's up? Look at you, look at you. Is this our marriage? Nani, oh yeah, keke. Come on, take my bags inside, stop. Are you moving or I should move you? I will tell you when it's over. For now, it's not over. And please come and take this. Nonsense. Go now, you want to break my head?
I want 5 children by my wife. 3 boys and 2 girls. Awele. 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 Awele.
What is the meaning of this? Wait. You want me dead? You are conjuring some fetish powers against me. Jesus Christ. Ugo, what have I done to you? Why do you want to kill me? Oh, I see. You want to kill me so you can take another wife, or where? Eh?
You get out of my sight. Awele! Awele!
Can I shout Awele?
Awele!
This is not the man I married. Something is wrong. Something is wrong.
I'm asking, where are you, God? I feel alone in this world. I have no one to tell my problems but only you. Tears has been my foe, sorrow has been my company.
I want 5 children. 3 boys and 2 girls. Awele. Awele. Awele.
Wake up! Wake up!
Hey, wake up! Okay, wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Hey!
I'm asking, where are you, God? I feel alone in this world. I have no one to tell my problems but only you. Tears has been my food, sorrow has been my company. Eu te amo, e begging no, Jime begging no. I only say begging no.
Yes, I'm Mazoti. What? Ugonna did what? Hey! Nke wa aru eme? This is not good at all. Hey! Keke sakepa. Yeah? Now, how can we carry a man with a broken waist? Ala kupulo tele. Ala kupulike. Hey, this is not good at all.
Oh, who will I tell? Who will listen to me? Oh, yeah. Aye. Hey. Eleba. You are very wicked. I want to see my son. I want to see my son. I want him back. Oh, this Ogbaje woman have killed my son. She have succeeded in killing my son.
You are talking too much. You are talking too much. When I told you to leave Elema alone, stop following Elema, did you listen to me? You refused. Ugonna and his wife were living happily until you started following that witch. You started listening to her. Now see what you have.
Hey!
Now you are happy.
I want my son back. I want my son back. I want to see my son.
I want to take an ambulance to the city to bring back his body.
Hey! 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 Oh! Hey!
Mama!
Hey! 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 No!
Uncle.
Hey!
Uncle, so it is true.
Uncle, Ugonna.
Uncle, it is true.
Hey!
It is true.
Chaba.
Uncle, it is true.
Ugonna is dead. It's no longer news.
Hey! Chima! Hey! Mama! Mama, where is Braduko? Mama, where is Braduko? Mama, where is Braduko? Hey! Hey!
Uh-huh.
Hey!
Elema has succeeded with your mother.
Hey! Hey!
Ala kupulo tele. Ala kupulike.
Hey, oh, hey, Mama, I want you. Oh, Mama, I want you. I want you. Mama, I want you. Hey, Mama, hey, Mama,
The
the devil has finally used an evil woman to kill my son. When I told my son that he married an evil woman, he said I was lying. But now look at where she landed him.
You have said more than you should say. We heard it was an accident.
How many times will I say it? Hey, Mawele, why leaving? Take your daughter with you. Take her. 2 of you should leave.
It's okay. I've heard you. It's enough.
I have said my own. She's not going to sleep in this house with me. Awele, why didn't you go with your mother? My son is dead. You have to go back to your mother. Eh?
Mama, please. Allow me to mourn my husband, please.
Osi, mourn who? I will not let you pass a night in this house. Mbani, it's a lie. You killed my son and you want to mourn him. Mourn him for a baby girl or a baby boy. Is it not time for you to go back to orphanage home? Is it not time? Hey, what am I even doing? Hey! Take.
What are you doing?
Your house. Orphanage home. It is time now. Go back to orphanage home. Or do you want to come and kill me too? Mba. It will not work.
Mama,
stand up. Stand up.
Stop this.
No! Stop what?
Mama, I don't like this. Stop it.
Look at this girl. Look at this witch. I told my son that you are a witch. He did not believe me. Do you want to come and kill me? No. I can't enjoy it now. They go. Hey, I'm not fit enjoy them. They go. 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 Witch. Woo! Witch. Shakwa. Again? To kill me? Mba, it's not money him. Go and tell them that it will not work. Not even in my house.
Please don't let the world to laugh at me in the midst of this tribulation.
Stop crying, woman. Biko.
I just want to die, Mama. Stop. What is left of me?
Awele, what do we call this?
Dead.
I don't understand.
I will die soon, Mama.
Stop it. Why are you talking like this? What is wrong with you?
I have tuberculosis.
What?
How come? How did you contract it?
I was trying to save a child in my orphanage home. Mama, please, give me some money to go to the hospital and treat myself. Please.
Chioma, it hurts me when I see you crying. Please, my daughter, stop crying. Please. Eh? What do you want me to do? Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Mama, I want you. Mama, I want you. I want you to stay away from that evil woman, but you refuse to listen. And as usual, you called me a little girl. Now see that has landed us.
Chioma, how do I know that it will turn out this way? How? Eh?
Mama, Uncle Oti wants you, but you refuse to listen to anybody. Mama, you did not pay attention to us. Now my only brother is dead. Are you happy? Answer me, Mama, are you happy? Do you have grandchild now? Do you have a grandchild?
Efomo. Ouch. God, have mercy on me, please.
You will never, ever see me again.
Hey, Chioma, no. Do you want me to die? Chioma, don't do this to me. Please. Chioma, who are you leaving me with? Chioma, I'm your mother.
Oh, leave me alone. Leave me alone, Mama. Let me alone. Leave me alone.
What have I done to myself? Please.
Mama, you are asking me what you've done.
Mama.
Do you remember the day I told Uncle Oti about your journey with that evil woman called Elema? Mama, do you remember?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Uncle, good evening.
How are you?
No.
Yes.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Wife, I can see you are very busy.
Uncle, she's not busy. Uncle, she has not been busy. She has been sitting down there gossiping with that woman called Elema.
Shut up! Look at this girl.
Why do you talk? I asked you to come and see me since morning.
Oh, I forgot. I hope all is well.
I saw you with that woman called Elema, and I've been very worried. I hope you've not started making friends with her. That woman is evil.
Oh.
She will lead you to your death if you don't leave her alone.
Nai, I'm not a child. I am no longer a child.
You are not a child?
Yes.
So where did you go with her?
We went for a meeting.
A meeting?
Hey! Mama! Isika! Uncle, don't mind Mama. She followed that woman, that Elema. She went with that woman to see a man that will give brother a child.
Shut up your mouth! Huh? Who asked you to speak? I will disown you next time you behave like this.
Mama? Mama, is this all you can do to me? Is this all you can do to me, Mama? Slap me! Go ahead! Slap me, but you cannot stop me from speaking the truth. Slap me, Mama!
The truth?
Mama, I want you to live with this guilt for the rest of your life. I want you to die with it, Mama. I want you to suffer.
Hey, Chioma. Please. Chioma, please don't leave me. Jesus. Please don't leave me home, please. Hey, what have I done to myself? Oh? What have I done to myself? Oh? Who are you going to leave me with in this old house, Chioma?
Mama, do I look like I care?
I do not care what happens to you, Mama. I do not care what happens to you. I do not care if you rot in hell, Mama. I do not care about you anymore.
Please. Please, Adade, please.
You see this house? This house, it is yours, Mama. So eat it.
Please. Please, Choma.
Choma,
please. Oh, God.
Choma, please.
Oh my God! Oh God! Eleba have killed me, oh! Eleba, it shall not be well with you. You are the cause of all this. Oh God! Eleba, it shall not be well with you. It shall not be well. Oh, Elema! Elema killed me. Oh God! What am I going to do, Chama? Please come back. Come back, my daughter. Come back. Oh, come back. Jimmy, come back.
Adadi, that will be very unfair and disheartening. That girl needs your help and your care.
Nze, I want to do what will save me from dying before my...
And I said you do not have to do it.
Certainly you do not like me. Household enemy. The enemy within. Because it is obvious you don't like me. You want me to die?
Adadi, I am disappointed in you.
It is obvious you don't like me. I know that. You know when you disappoint people from carrying out their plans, they get disappointed. Because
Adadi.
Will God be angry with me? Huh? It is high time I place the earthenware at the right place. After all, it's not my fault. Awali, what are you doing with that cup?
Welcome.
Which cup? You want everyone to die with you or where? Mama, don't ever use this cup again.
Mama, why did you do that?
Don't use it again.
Well, this is the only cup I've used in this house.
You can follow me. You want everyone to die together with you or where? Me, I will not die. Follow me!
Follow you to where?
Follow me! Follow me!
Where are we going?
Follow me first!
Mama, where are we going to now? Where are we going to? Are we going to the hospital?
Follow me now.
Mama, talk to me. Where are we going to? Are you taking me to the hospital?
Just stop talking. You're spitting into my face. Just shut up and follow me. Please follow me.
If you are going to the hospital, you tell me.
Follow me now.
Mama, what are we doing here?
This is your house. This is your father's house. This is where actually you belong. The bathroom is your house.
Mama, what are you saying?
Awele, this is your real parents' house.
this is where I picked you up when your parents died. Your real parents are buried down there. You can go and check out their graves.
Mama, stop saying this. If it's a joke, Kosea Biko, stop it. You're getting me scared. Please.
I'm not here to scare you. I'm only here to clear your head on a few things. I am not your real mother. This is where I picked you when your mother died, and nobody agreed to touch you. Out of pity, I took you. So is it clear now?
Mama, please. Tell me this is a dream. Tell me that I'm dreaming.
Well, you cannot be dreaming by this time of the day. If you are at the time. It is the truth. I am not your real mother. I only picked you just out of pity to help you. On a walk, Rosie. I will have someone send you back. Let me be going. This is where you are. I am not your real mother. If I'm about in a brain. Hey! I am not your mother. See them there.
In the midst of
what is this?
Tribulation. Okwagiganayo chukwule bino.
Daddy, this is not fair. This is the time she needs you most. It must be hard on her, having just lost her husband yesterday.
Is this the reason you came this morning to disturb me?
Yes.
To pour all the sermons on my head?
Of course, Daddy.
Nze, before I came to you, I already made up my mind on what to do. But if you feel much pity for her, you can as well take her to your house. Big Obogoko. You don't have a house anymore.
Daddy, you are saying this?
Nze, could you just leave me alone? Or give me.
She needs you now. Please.
And she doesn't need you.
Daddy, you are walking out on me.
Who could have thought that our own Ugo will be involved in money ritual? And I even heard he was knocked down by a car while he was batting on the road. Yeah?
Oyoyo, Ugo died because of the evil spirit living in his wicked wife.
I don't understand this one. Did his wife send him to go and do money ritual? Eh? Here.
His wife is evil. God cannot give me that kind of a bad, wicked woman. I will skin her alive and punish her severely.
Okay, Mr. Skinner and Mr. Bitter, let us go. Okay.
Can't you see I'm mourning my late friend? Huh? Wait for me at home now, so I will join you later.
Chuka, Chuka, let us go home. Let us go home.
But woman, now one now. How can you address your husband in public as a stupid man? He's a man, he deserves some respect in public, Biko.
Chuka, you see, it's your fault. It's your fault. If not for you, this ugly and stupid old woman would not be insulting me. It's your fault.
Chelo, did you just call me an ugly woman?
Yes, I called you ugly and I'll call you more.
Chuka, you know I'm just respecting you because you're my customer. If not, I can make watch you ever. If she's the one being the man in the house, not here.
It's because you're not married.
Okay, this one is marriage.
Please, Oga, let us go home. Let us go home.
Let us go home.
Hey. Because
drop my bottle. Keep her stupid bottle for her.
Bottle
Where can I see? Yeah. No. Okwana ji mene kwasa basa mene lele. Yeah no.
Nka marriage. Afu akwa amanya.
Hey. Afufu. Na afufu. Hey, are you even married?
Chuko ihe na afu. Awusa batakwa oka biko. Go marriage.
Honey, why are we even in this?
Hello, dear.
Yes, really? Oh, okay. You know what? I will call you back. Yeah? What is it?
Why are we indoors by this time of the day with the doors locked?
I want you to stay inside and mourn your friend.
It's not fair.
Shut up! It's not fair. It's like fair. Chuka, I heard you. You said you can beat your wife. You tell her to do everything you want her to do. Chuka, you can beat me.
Mother, matter is on.
Okay, Italian. You did not tell them that I beat you. You cannot say now. See you. You that cannot even hurt a fly. You can beat me. Oh yeah, now Chuka beat me. Chuka beat me. Chuka beat me now.
Maybe I wasn't talking to you.
Who are you talking to? Look at you, can beat me. Chuka, again. Did I tell you to put your hand? My friend, remove your hand. Fact. Massage me. Massage my back. Take it easy. Hey, you want to break my bones? Go to work about the fan. Why is it? Easy. Hey, why? I'm not myself.
Which can man be this you? Which can person be this you? We know that.
Hello? What's wrong with you? Are you insane?
I'm sorry, sir.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to the hospital.
Going to the car, let me drop you. Oh my God. Are you okay? This looks like the symptoms of tuberculosis. Yes. For how long have you suffered from this now?
For some weeks now.
This is dangerous. Get into the car, let me drop you.
I'm going to the hospital.
Don't worry. I'm a medical doctor. I can handle it. Get into the car.
Please, I don't have a lot of money to spend.
Don't worry yourself. I'll handle it. Just get to the car. Come. Sorry?